Welcome to Guni. Let's dive deep into how to configure Sender ID in Guni platform. Click on Sender IDs from left menu section. In Sender ID section, you will find existing sender IDs such as dedicated number, business name and personal number. If you are new user, you will have an empty sender ID list. To request new sender ID, go top right corner and click Add Sender ID button. Click Dedicated Number. It is ideal for replies and automation. You will be redirected to Dedicated Number page. Simply click Purchase to buy new dedicated number. Then click Pay and you will be redirected to Payment page. After successfully completion of payment, new number will be assigned to your account. Now click Business Name. It allows you to increase your brand awareness and increase open rate. Simply type business name, click Request. Requested sender ID will go for approval and will be approved soon by Guni team. Guni also allows you to use personal or business mobile number as sender ID. All the replies will come directly on your mobile and your customer will be able to call you. Go to Add Sender ID, click Personal Number. Enter a valid mobile number and reference name. You will receive OTP on the mobile number and enter OTP on verification screen. Afterwards, Guni team will register your number as valid sender ID with telco provider. This process may take up to 24 hours. Let's go to Default Sender ID. You can select the default sender for your quick and SMS campaign sender ID. Please select which sender you want to set as the default sender ID. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to go to Guni Academy to check out more tutorials such as running a campaign, API integration, workflow, contacts upload and so on. Visit Guni website for